Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make wonton soup. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 50 wonton wrappers, 4 green onions divided, a half pound of ground pork, 8 cups of chicken broth, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce divided, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil divided, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, 3/4 teaspoons of ground ginger divided, a half teaspoon of garlic powder, as well as some water for sealing. We'll start by finely chopping 2 of our green onions and transferring them to a large bowl. Then we'll combine them with our half pound of ground pork, a tablespoon of our soy sauce, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, a teaspoon of our sesame oil, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger. We'll mix these well with our hands. Once we've made our filling, we'll place about 1 teaspoon of it into the center of each wonton wrapper. We'll wet 2 edges of each wrapper with water, fold it in half into a triangle, being careful to remove any air bubbles. Roll the spine up once, then seal the 2 points of the triangle furthest from each other, and set onto parchment paper or a silicone-lined baking sheet. After assembling our wontons, we'll set our stovetop to high heat and add our 8 cups of chicken broth, our remaining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, remaining teaspoon of sesame oil, remaining half teaspoon of ground ginger, and half teaspoon of garlic powder, and bring it to a boil before reducing heat to medium-low and simmering for 10 minutes. While our broth is simmering, we'll thinly slice our remaining 2 green onions. After our broth simmers for 10 minutes, we'll add in our wontons and sliced green onions and continue to simmer until the wontons are cooked through, an additional 5 minutes. We'll ladle our soup into bowls and serve immediately. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.